All right, hello everybody and welcome. This is Revo to Max and doing a video today on privacy masks. And no, I'm not talking about the two that you currently see, one over the Revo 841 and the one over the car there. Those two are actually because, well, you can see the license plate and, well, nobody needs to know what the license plate number is. So, unfortunately, I have to look at it in two different screens, and one has all of the things on the NVR and the other one doesn't. And so, anyway, that's why it's like that. All right. So, privacy masks. What we're going to do today, first, we're going to look at the current privacy mask that I currently have. You can see I have one here, here, and here on this particular house. And we have one here, 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 and here on this particular house. So can't see what's going on in the house. And that's what privacy masks are designed for. They're good to keep neighbors happy and keep yourself from, accidentally seeing something you don't want to see. So today, this tree, and actually as you can see down here, is starting to drop its leaves. And I'm starting to see more of these windows as well. So I figured I'd make a video on setting up privacy masks. To set up privacy masks, you can do it in an NVR or a DVR. And if you do that, it's going to stay on the screen. So we're going to do it in the actual Amcrest 850 as we're using right now. We're going to go to setup. Pardon me for a second. Go to video. Go to overlay. And good, we're on 10. That was the last one. So we're going to go to 10. Hit draw. I'm going to draw in that window there. We're going to go to 11. And we're going to draw in this window here. All right. And now you can see privacy masks. Move out of the view of it, and it stays there. And we're looking at a full screen where stuff that we want to see. We go back to preset 1, privacy mask over where it is. Go over to this house, privacy mask, and back to this one, and privacy mask. And let's look in the NVR, privacy mask, and it's transferred from the camera to the NVR, and we have the privacy mask. So, what's some of the pros and cons? The pros, like I said, put it over this, window. You don't have to worry about accidentally seeing something you didn't want to see. That's not what these cameras are designed for. These cameras are designed to, help keep an eye on your property and, make sure everything is safe and sound. And peering in your neighbor's windows is not a part of that. Now you're probably wondering, okay, well, you've got a rule in front of your next door neighbor's house, and why in the world would, somebody do that? That just seems weird. And you're right, under normal circumstances, that would seem weird. But in this situation, my neighbor was gone. My neighbor asked to please keep an eye out. And in doing so, I decided to use my AI NVR to create a rule that in the event that somebody, either drove through that line or walked through that line, it would zoom in so I could get a better view of what's going on. And so as soon as he returns and don't need to, keep an eye that what's going on here, if he's not home and you see a shadow in here, something's, you missed something. So in the event that that happens, you know what to do. But again, goes across this line, either a car or a human, and this zooms in, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about privacy masks. We added this one and this one, and it was real quick, real simple, real easy. That's for the Amcrest 850, the 846, the 853, the 858, the 863, the 1053, the 1063, and the 1083. And I'm probably forgetting something. I think there's a 866, I think, as well. If memory serves me right. I think that's like a little 3X PTZ. So, anyway, privacy mask. How simple and easy. Thanks for watching. Until next time, be safe. This is Freeman Max.